Hello, dear learners. Welcome to this screencast of database labels. Just like reports, to pair database labels will again need a query. So if you see this question, then it is asking for labels arranged in two columns where only include cars which have not yet been dispatched. So let us create this query first. So go to the database, queries, create query in design view. We'll need both these tables. Let us display all fields and dispatched field criteria will be false. Let us check it so that it is not displayed twice. Let us save it as. Now if you see, there are 330 records at this point of time. Let us go to question. Now it says VIN should begin with 37. Now you might have something called wildcard characters. So there are two wildcard characters, one star and one question mark. So here it says that VIN should begin with 37. So like 37 is in the beginning. Star means any number of characters and with any value. Question mark means only one character. So let us run this. So now we have about 192 records. Now it says country should be Spain. Now country is in another table that we have established relationship with Spain. Let me check this. So now there are about 43 records. Power field is E. Power field is S 16 distributed stable. So E. Now let me remove this data. I don't want all this data. I want VIN, country and power at this stage. Save, run. Okay, so I have now total 8 records, all beginning with 37. Now it says that I should show only VIN, model, port, and distributor. So VIN in the beginning, then it wants port, so that I will shift here. Okay, it is model and then port. So model, and then port, and then distributor. So database is S16 cars and not S16 distributors here. We don't want to display this information, so we'll uncheck that. Save, run. Okay, so that's the query. So now we will actually start creating the label. Now, for creating label, first of all, close this query. So we have this query called labels. Now go to File menu, New, Labels. Now, here I have already inserted some fields. Let me erase it so that we can see how it is done. First of all, you need to select the database. So whatever databases you have made, it will be shown here, and currently my database is this 111. Now, which table do you want? So we want these both tables. Instead, we'll use query because we already created query. Then from this query, we want all these fields. We want VIN, we want model, we want port, we want distributor, we want each on a separate line so that it is visible properly. Now, the format should be continuous. If we select sheet, it means it will display only one label per sheet. But we want all the 8 labels on the same sheet. That is why we'll use this continuous. From format, I have changed it to these 2 columns and 4 rows because we want in 2 columns and total 8 records, so 4 rows. Options, okay, let it be. Let us see. So this is the printer setup. So let us go again to labels and let this be as it is, new document. So here you see it has produced all the 8 labels. If you remember mail merge, then these are the database fields. So we can write some label ahead of it. Now similarly, do the same in all the labels. Let's save it as labels ODT. Now once it is saved, if you remember the mail merge, we will do the same process for printing. You go to print, it'll ask your document contains address data fields. So do you want to print a form letter? Yes. So it is showing you 8 records, and currently we want to print as a file. Save as a single document. Save it as labels, not ODT, but now a PDF document. So now, so it is converting PDF. Let us go to documents, labels.pdf. So here it is. These are some extra